this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can get your eBay account back. Now, a lot of my friends, they got banned on eBay and they don't know exactly how to get back their account. Now, I'm going to show you guys a few different solutions that I used to get back my eBay accounts after they get suspended. Okay, now the first reason, like the first thing you need to know is to know the reason why your account got suspended. Maybe you have sold a lot of items in the recent months, higher than your old months. Maybe you made more sales this month than the last month. That's why the robo on eBay, they dictate something is unusual, then they suspend your account. Like, you just need to know the reason. For example, if a lot of buyers, they have opened a dispute against you, that can get your account got suspended. Okay, that can get your account get suspended. Now, there are a lot of reasons. Like, you just need to give me just comment below, okay, in this video, and tell me exactly what you think that made your account get suspended. Okay, what made your account get removed by eBay. Just need to tell me that in the comments. I will tell you guys what to do. Now, in general, what you guys need is you just need to contact eBay. Okay, that's the first thing, and you need to contact them directly. If you live in the United States, here is what you do. I'm going to show you guys what you can do. Like, this account is got suspended, as you can see. Your payouts are currently on hold because your account is suspended. Now, this is just an account I use for YouTube videos. This is not my eBay account. I use my eBay account without any problem. It got suspended before, but I called them and then they resolved the problem. Now, what you guys need, you want to scroll down at the very bottom and you want to click on eBay in the top left, and then you want to scroll down and search for here where it says contact us. Okay, it says help and contact us. And what you guys need to do next, as you can see, they're saying need help with your recent orders. I don't need help with this. I want to know why my eBay account got suspended and how I can get it back. Now scroll down and click on contact us, as you can see. Now it says here what we can help you with today. Please select one. Selling. I'm a seller. For example, I'm going to select something like getting paid for items you have sold, and then scroll down and then click on chat with our automated assistant. Now, if you click on chat with our automated assistant, assistant will say something like, how can I help you today? Just say something like an account suspension. Okay, the robot is not going to understand this. I didn't quite understand that. So I'm going to give the contacts account suspension. As you can see, I'm going to see if the robot is going to understand it. If your eBay account has been restricted or suspended, check your email. You say for additional details and next steps. Now, it says here, during this time you may not be able to buy or sell. Your payouts may be on hold. Learn more. Now, they don't give you guys an option to contact the eBay, to contact eBay. Okay. Now, what you guys need is you need to say something like creating. I need help with creating a listing, so that you can call someone, so that you can talk to them and he can help you. Okay, and the robot now is going to give me a few different options, including calling someone, have someone call you. Okay, so just wait for this robot. They programmed the robot so that if they hear something like suspended, they don't give you guys an option to call the eBay customer support. Okay, it says in most categories you can list similar items with variation. Say something like okay. Now it seems like the robot is not trying to help us. Now here is another solution. Go back to eBay, click on eBay in the top left, scroll down, click on contact us. Okay, and then scroll down, click on contact us, click selling, and select here payments on hold. Select payments on hold, in the top. Okay, scroll down and click again on contact us. Now it says here, okay, now you want to give them like payments on hold and wait for the robo. There are a few reasons. Okay, payments on hold, select payments on hold, and then say something like, I need to talk to someone. Okay, you just need to say something like, I need to talk to someone, and they can say, sure, I can help you with an agent. Let me know which option you prefer. Now if you want to email eBay directly, if you don't speak English, you can send it says here, send us an email. Now the option that I recommend is click on have us call you, or you can send an email and wait 24 hours so that they can get back to you. Okay, you need to enter here which country you live in, whether you live in Canada or United States. So select here United States and then enter your phone number here, make sure it's correct, and then click continue. And then within like a few minutes they will call you guys, and then you can explain every single thing to them, and you will get your account back. If you made a mistake, just apologize, say like it's not in my intention to do that, so that I would like to keep selling on eBay. Just tell them something like that, and then you will be able, guys, to get back your account. That's what I do, guys. I just called him directly, and then they solve my problem. See you guys next video. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.